everyone, welcome to kindergarten learning. Cluck cluck red hen, cluck cluck red hen. Have you any eggs? Have you any eggs? Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. As many as your legs, as many as your legs. One for your breakfast, one for your breakfast, one for your lunch, one for your lunch. Come back tomorrow and have another bunch, and have another bunch. So let's learn the new words ending with uck sound with the cluck cluck red hen.
Unit 8. Here comes the elephant. Let us read the words ending with uck sound. Which sound? Uck. That is UCK sound. Uck. Uck. Duck. This is a duck. Duck. Uck. Luck. Good luck. When we wish somebody is best of luck. Luck. Uck. Cluck. Cluck cluck red hen. The sound that a hen makes. Cluck. Uck. Stuck. This poo is stuck in the hole. Stuck. Uck. Pluck. The boy is plucking the flowers. The man is plucking the mangoes. Pluck. Uck. Truck. This is a truck. So that's all. Let's look at the word bank. Speak after me. Duck. Luck. Cluck. Stuck. Pluck. And truck. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.